Welcome back. BJP has demanded a thorough interrogation of all suspects in the Bali carnage case. BJP says even KP MLA Babu Kawlekar has to be interrogated as his name is surfacing in the Bali matter. BJP has now constituted a 7-member committee that will probe into the Bali carnage incident. Deadline to revert the decision on medium of instruction is over. BJP has now called a meeting of its partymen on Monday to decide its course of action on medium issue.
BJP has reiterated its stand for a judicial probe in Bali carnage case. They are upset as government not yet ordered judicial probe into this matter. Now, party has constituted its own committee to look into the Bali carnage episode. Recently, new evidence is found at Achal Kaju factory. Once its committee submits report on the carnage, BJP will decide its future course of action.
नवेन जो मदी घटना घडल्यो आता हाडां मेळ्ळी नवी मेळ्ळी ताची पर्स इंटॅक्ट मेळ्ळी ह्या पार्श्वभूमीचेर नव्यो ज्यो गोष्टी नजरेन आयल्यात ह्या पार्श्वभूमीचेर आमी एक स्थानिक लोकांची ही समिती करतात.
Party wants thorough interrogation of all suspects in Bali carnage including KP MLA Babu Kawlekar.
पेपर सांगतात न्ही ह्या दिसांनी बाबू कवळेकाराचें नांव अनेक फावटी येता गेले 2-3 दीस येता. निश्चित न्ही जे संशयीत आसात त्या सगळ्यांची चौकशी जावंक जाय आनी इमिजिएट जावंक जाय. सरकार चालढकल करता ठरवून करता.
BJP has condemned the way agitators were arrested by police at Revolution Day function at Panji and Madgaon. BJP has supported Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch. BJP has called a special meeting of its partymen on Monday to decide the further agitation condemning government's decision on medium of instruction. Party says Goans must boycott all government functions, especially of Chief Minister Digambar Kamath over medium issue. They say their party will revert back the decision once they come to power. Our senior reporter Rakesh Kanolkar with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Reserve Bank of India has opened an urban bank department in Goa. Its functional jurisdiction will cover the entire state of Goa. They seek better coordination with state government, banks and customers. The RBI officials informed that all the regulatory comforts will be assured to the customers.
RBI is fortunately making enough money. We are not interested in your 5 lakhs. We are interested only in the structure, better regulation, better supervision to you.
Recently, the bank has expanded its functions in the state by opening a rural planning and credit department. Their main aim is to achieve annual credit plan. The supervision of urban cooperative banks in Goa was being carried out from RBI's Mumbai office. Regional Director of RBI J.B. Boria informed that an outreach program will be organized to provide better facilities to people.
We will try to provide model facilities as far as the commercial banking and financial services are required in that particular village, so that the commercial bankers, they also take a clue and they are able to come up to the expectations of the customer and the public.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
An exhibition of tiger photography was exhibited at Sunapranta, Goa Center for the Arts. The photography by Dattaraj Salgaonkar is amazing and picturesque. Dattaraj informed us that this photography is a tribute to the tigers.
Dattaraj Salgaonkar has grasped the close view of this magnificent animal. He wandered around India to capture the images of the tiger in the lens of his camera. He informed us that he cherished animal photography since his childhood. He also feels that a glimpse of the tiger can transform one's life.
First time was in Ranthambore. It was Tigress Ranthambore. That's in Rajasthan. So she was drinking water. And it was like pure magic, pure beauty, and the sheer elegance. And you know, I'd also seen the same tigress kill a cheetal earlier. So she combines grace, beauty, and savagery. So that was a transformative experience. So for any of you who know or have seen the tiger, you will know how transformative it is to see a tiger.
Tigers, an exhibition of photography is held at Sunaprantha Goa Centre for Arts at Altheen. This exhibition will be open for public till 21st June. Our reporter in Altheen, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Tadvi.
Now let's have a look at a fashion show by Wendell Rodrigues at the newly inaugurated Radisson Blu Resort at Kavalosi. This fashion show is a monsoon collection of Wendell. He has blended varied colors of Goa into the beautifully designed outfits for women. Have a look.
Goa comes to life in the monsoon. Everything becomes, from brown it becomes green. So I took the same concept as from black and white it's going to become bright color. And I pushed it into every single garment. And I wanted it to be at sometimes sexy, at sometimes covered. I also wanted to make sure that every woman in the room would want at least one outfit.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, for Prudent Media.
And our news from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.